Yes, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle, and today's video is going to be my Boxy Charm unboxing video for the month of September. I'm so excited because this box is very good, and I'm really excited to try these things in the box today. So the first thing that I got is I got these masks right here, and this is by the brand SF. And they are called the Glam straight masks. So it comes with 3 masks, and it's called, wait, hold on, is it SF or Glam in Paradise? I think it's Glam in Paradise. So it's the Glam in Paradise gold foil mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil, and these are vegan. So you get a 1-piece face mask, you get an eye patch, and a lip mask. So for this video, I'm actually gonna just use the whole face mask, and it says that I have to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And I've never used anything with cannabis or sativa like infused or anything, so I'm excited to see if this is like different, or if this has like a different type of feel or different type of effect on my skin. So I'm actually gonna go in with this one. I'm not gonna put the lip mask on because this like face mask is gonna cover everything, so I'm gonna go in with this mask. So when I take it out of the packaging, it does have like gold like leopard type of prints on it, and usually, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really love sheet masks because they're so cold. So I don't really like putting them on my face that much because they're always really cold for me. But oh, okay, this is a 2-part mask. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the top part first. Oh wait, what? Hold on, it's like half my face? No, wait. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I don't know if I'm just, oh, okay, I get it now. So this would be the top half of my face. Okay, let me put it on. Oh, it's so cold. Okay, so that's the top half. Now I'm going to put the bottom half. Usually I get face masks like the full thing, but one thing I like about sheet masks is that you typically don't rinse anything. You just like, you know, absorb the rest, like you kind of smooth the rest into your skin. So this is the mouth part, and I'm going to just poke with my lips. So I have to leave this on for 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes, and then I'll be right back. And I'll tell you guys how I feel about this face mask. It's so cold, but I know it'll get warmer. So see you guys in 20 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm now back from the face mask. And this is like 8 hours later. I had sat down this morning to film. So the last clip that you saw, I put the mask on. I told you guys I was gonna be back in 20 minutes. Well, that turned into 8 hours. So I'm back right now, and it's raining outside, but I'm back to film the second part of the video. This video is a hot mess all over the place, but in the box we got the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette, and I was so excited for this because I really wanted this palette. And like, look at these colors, you guys. Look at these colors, they are so pretty. So this palette, you get 8 shades. You get Pero Like, Eres un Show, Tiene Swing, Gao, Ay que cute, Ja, Muy excited, and Ponte Hyper. You get these 8 shades right here, and this is so pretty. And the thing I love about this palette too is that next to the name, it's either like a water droplet sign or like a sun sign. So on the back it says if it has that sun sign, it's the color is best used dry, and if it has the water droplet sign, it is best used wet. So it is 4 pressed pigments and 4 matte shadows. I did swatch them, and they swatch beautifully. I really like this palette a lot, so I'm excited to create a look with this. I don't know what I'm going to create yet, but I really am just gonna fast forward to this part and create a look for you guys. I really like this shadow. I did something like super simple, orange eye look. The only thing that it doesn't have like an inner corner highlight, so I did have to go in with the ColourPop Flexitarian highlight, which is my favorite for my inner corners, and just pop that in my inner corners. But other than that, these shadows are super pigmented and very easy to work with. And I love this orange one. Like, I feel like it's like multi-dimensional. Like, it looks like it's orange but still has like shades of like gold in it, and I see some green in it too, so it's very like multi-dimensional, which is so nice. So the thing we got in the box is the Gellar LashBOSS Bold Voluminizing Mascara, and it is in the shade black. So I'm just gonna use this on my lashes. So this is the type of brush that I usually don't like. It's like that wand that's like kind of like hair-like. I'm doing like the old school YouTube so I could focus on this. Yeah, so this is the type of brush, like that fiber type of brush, not like the rubber brush that I usually like, but hopefully this is not clumpy or anything. But I'm just gonna apply a couple coats. I don't really know yet how I feel about this mascara. It's not bad. Like, my eyelashes aren't like clumpy or anything, and they're pretty, you know, out there, but I just have to probably wear this a couple more times just to really see how I feel about the mascara. But the next thing that we got in the box is actually this Trestique Summer Glow and Go thing, like a box, and it has a highlighting stick, a blush stick. Oh, it had a shadow crayon. Ooh, and it has a mini brow pencil. Okay, I already did my brows, so I'm not going to use the brow pencil. And I didn't know it had a shadow crayon. Let's see the shade. Oh, okay, the shade is really pretty. It's like this copperish type of gold shade. I'm not going to apply it because I have like the Alamar and I don't want to, you know, play with it. But yeah, so we got a mini eyeshadow and a mini brow. I think I've tried this brow pencil before and I don't like it. It's so like waxy and hard, and like the shade is just not good. Like, it's like a taupey shade, so I'm not even gonna use that. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my foundation on and my concealer, and then I'll be back so that I could do my blush and highlight, and then we'll be done with this video. So now we're gonna try the Trestique mini blush stick, and this is in Moroccan Rose. I have no idea if this will work for my skin tone. Well, it's pretty light, you guys. Like, look at this. It's very powdery. I don't think it's gonna work for my skin tone, and it feels so balmy. Like, you know those. Here, let's try this. I'm gonna try to get a brush and put it on the brush and see if it'll work. Maybe I can just place it on my cheeks and see if it'll blend out. It doesn't even like show up. I don't think that this is the type of product too that you're supposed to use with like a brush. Like, let me try to tap it in. Tap in. Do you even see this show up on my skin tone? It's like blending in my skin. Yeah, no. This is a no. This is a no. No. And then we also got the highlight stick, and this is in the shade Maldives Luminescent. This looks pretty light. Oh my, it's like a pearly, like white gold, but I'll put like very little, like here. Hold on. Okay, the highlight is more pigmented than the blush, I feel. So, but I feel like it blends away. I could have used this in my inner corner, this highlight. Okay, yeah, I mean, it shows like right here, so it does show the highlight. Try to take some of this and apply it to my brow bone. Alright, so I'm back and I just put the Alamar Cosmetics Coqueta lip liner and the Dulce lip gloss on top of it, and it's so pretty. This is so pretty. She is like amazing at what she does. But anyways, I did get the Farmacy brightening vitamin C eye cream, but I don't know if I want to put that on my face because I did hear something about Farmacy like putting plastic in their products, so I don't know yet. I just want to do some more research and see if that's like true or not, because I know the balm removing thing had like plastic in it, so I'm not gonna touch that. Overall, I did really like the box. So my favorite thing on the palette is definitely the palette. This Spanglish palette is so pretty. Like, I just really love the color story in this palette, and the shades are amazing. And I did like the mascara from Gellar. That was really nice. And the mask after I put it on my face, like, my face was so soft and just so plump, and my face has stayed soft all day and very hydrated, so I really like the mask. I did not like this. I did not like the Trestique Summer Glow Plus Go. I feel like they're just not pigmented, and I don't like the eyebrow pencil. I've used the eyebrow pencil before and I just didn't like it. I don't really have much from Trestique, and I don't buy from them, so I'm not really like into the brand, but I just didn't like those. And the Farmacy thing I'm not touching until I get more word on if it's like, if there's plastic in it or not. I am not putting that on my face. Overall value of these books is $157 dollars. Pay $26 and some change every single month for Boxy Charm. So this is really amazing. You guys get so much makeup. You get 5 full-size items, except the Trestique thing was like minis, but you get 5 full-size items usually, and for $26. And Boxy Charm is like the perfect brand, I feel like, for people who are trying to like get into makeup or wants to try like new makeup every month. So I really did like the box, and the theme was actually glam vibes, so that's probably why I got this palette, because it's very glam. But I really like this month's Boxy Charm, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed, and let me know what you guys got in your Boxy Charm if you have Boxy Charm, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.